Open the furnace door. Place the cushion plate into the furnace. Close the furnace door and lock it tightly. Turn on the power switch of the device. Run stop button. Settings key. Reduce key. Add keys. No appointment required for operation. Click the reduce button to skip the appointment. Click the run button to start heating. Click the run button again to stop heating. Long press the settings button to enter the settings interface. Set maximum temperature. Press the increase or decrease button to adjust the temperature. Click the settings button again to adjust HE. First stage time. Click the settings button again to adjust TE. First stage temperature. Click the settings button again to adjust HR. Second stage time. Click the settings button again to adjust TR. Second stage temperature. Click again to adjust the language. After 5 seconds, the system automatically saves the settings and exits. Appointment time setting. After turning on the device, click the settings button. Click the settings button to switch between hours and minutes. Click the increase and decrease keys to change the value. After the adjustment is completed, click the settings button to save and exit the appointment time setting. Press the run button to schedule the start of execution. Start heating after the countdown is completed.